Hello and welcome all. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the postgraduate course options that New Zealand has to offer. So if we go by the different options, so one of them is a master's program. So basically master's program has two options, master's by coursework and master's by research. So if we are going to talk about the master's by coursework, so the requirement is basically a bachelor's degree with a good academic score and an IELTS band of at least 6.5 overall with no band less than 6. And so if we are going to look at the duration of the master's program, that is basically there are different time durations that are available which is 1 year, 1.5 years and 2 years. So it depends on the subject area of the master's program. For instance, maybe for science and technological subjects, the duration of the program could be approximately 1.5 to 2 years. But for instance, for programs like management or business, the duration could be 1 year as well. So again, it depends on the area of the subject of the master's program. And the master's program has various benefits in terms of you can bring in your family if you want your family to accompany you, and then other benefits as well.
You are totally correct. But I think post-graduation diploma, it is also a great option for students who want to study in New Zealand after bachelor's. Like post-graduation diploma's duration time is only 1 year plus. It's for if you have to study for only 8 to 9 months. After that you can study online as well. Plus its academic requirements are also lesser than that of masters. Like you need only 50% for post-graduation diploma. So I think it is also a great option for students who want to study in New Zealand.
So again, yeah, you're right. That ways that post-graduation is a diploma is a great option, because one thing, it is also when the duration becomes lesser, so the cost also reduces. So this is great for people who want to have who want to get a degree in specialized fields, and they're also younger, so they want to get into the professional world quicker. So this could be one of the options. And if we look at the other master's degree, then I also mentioned about the master's by research program. So the master's by research program is again, it has a higher score requirement in the bachelor's degree as compared to a master's by coursework. This is because the research aspect in the master's by research is higher as compared to a coursework, which also has a thesis, but a master's by research specifically focuses on the research part.
But I have also heard that it is a difficult course.
Yeah, I mean, again, you're that ways you're right, because as I mentioned, the bachelor's score requirement is more, and also they are looking for the universities or the PTEs or the colleges are looking for candidates who do have some experience, and that is why this course, the master's by research, is mostly chosen by more mature candidates who want to work full time as well as bring in their families. So this is a great option for them.
And so it's more like MPhil in India.
Yeah, you're right, because MPhil also has a research aspect. Otherwise, the master's degrees in India is mostly coursework. So yes, you could say that the master's by research in New Zealand is similar to MPhil program. So, and if we look at the post-study work visa, which is also another thing which most international applicants look for. So if you are coming to the post-study work visa, so after a PG diploma, they get a post-study work visa of 1 year. And if we consider the master's program, the post-study work visa is for a duration of 3 years. So again, this seems more beneficial for students who want to work in New Zealand for a longer period of time. And
so master's course is better than post-graduation diploma for this post-study visa.
Yeah, I mean, you could say that in terms of candidates who need a longer duration of post-study work visa, masters does sound better. But again, for people who want to consider study abroad, they have to keep a lot of other aspects in mind as well. So one thing is the financial constraints they have and their career aspirations. So for instance, for a subject like teaching, a PG diploma should be good enough for them to have a prosperous career later on. But if we are looking at something like nursing, again, students would prefer a longer study period for say 1 to 2 years, then a master's degree is better. And so when it comes to, again, at the end of the day, it all depends on the applicants as well.
Yeah.
So what are their career opportunities? Do they have the finances to be able to survive in New Zealand for, let's say, 2 years? So again, a lot of things they need to keep in mind. And so if students want to know more about the postgraduate courses in New Zealand after bachelor's, they can contact West Highlander Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.